Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Friday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We are weekend ready and wrapping up this week in news, huh?
Yeah, wrapping it up. Yeah,
It's gone quick. This
yes,
week's
yeah.
flown by. I saw this morning we got a couple more sponsors for our events. Both big retail. One for Actium, which is investor developer of retail here in Poland, and Coliseum, big retail operation in Romania for SEE awards. So looks like retail is big and going strong. So excellent news. Yeah,
Yeah,
on
very good
that
news.
side. Yeah, always good to have them in. Um, yeah, we're just wrapping up the week. A lot of news this week. A lot of projects or a lot of deals seem to get done, and leases got signed this week. So nice to see all that. Seems like everyone seemed to have been back to work from Monday, and so we're happy about that. Our retail awards, again, we're into the last few weeks of that. So if you're doing anything in retail or you've got some opportunities for retailers to expand anywhere in Central Eastern Europe, let us know. We definitely would like to get you into the retail awards. Any new projects, or any retailers looking to expand in the region. We got a lot of new retailers coming to the event. A lot of new names I hadn't seen before. A little new new brands coming, so that's good to see, and a lot expanding, a lot really expanding in the region. So let us know if you want to do something on that. That's February 9th, so coming up quick, and also a lot of action starting for our SCE awards in Southeastern European awards in Romania again, April 6th. So another big date to keep in your calendar. So we'll take a little break. We'll be right back with Winston Norman and the final bit of news for the week. So welcome back, and here we go with our Friday edition of the news. Winston, how are you doing? Everything ready for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm weekend ready.
Good,
Yeah,
yeah, good,
I'm
good.
ready
We
to
are
relax.
we
Ready
are
to do
ready.
not to do much. But today's news, we'll start in Romania, and
Okay.
Blue House Capital sold the Olympia Tower office building in the Bucharest to Yellow Tree,
Okay.
and that's a pretty substantial deal there, I think, because it's a Class A office building of 10,000 square meters,
Hmm.
and it's 93%. And Nike Frank represented Blue House in this transaction, and they're also the exclusive leasing agent on that particular building. And according to Blue House, that despite the challenging market conditions, Olympia Tower has always performed well,
Hmm.
and it's got a high quality standards and very good asset management. So Yellow Tree are entering that market with a lot of confidence, I think, and they're still looking for assets in the country in
Hmm.
logistics and mainly office, but also in logistics sectors as well.
Yeah, I see Blue House around Poland as well doing warehouses now. So they're in the region. They're covering a lot.
Yeah, I think they've been doing a bit on the warehouse side for a few
Hmm.
years now.
Yeah, yeah.
Staying in Poland, and Cushman& Wakefield Equinox have announced that around 100,000 square meters of new retail space was delivered to Romania last year, and 80% of that was involved with retail parks, which
Hmm.
again is no great surprise. And there's a lot of retail parks being developed in Romania at the moment,
Right.
and new projects with a leasable area of around 230,000 square meters are expected in 2023. So there's
Wow.
a lot of retail activity going on in Romania,
Yeah.
and
A lot more coming.
a lot more coming. That's right, and this would be a 6-year high according to Cushman& Wakefield Equinox.
So sounds like probably some more retail parks than that 200,000, I would imagine.
Well, this
Mhm.
according to Dana Radovunevu.
Uh-huh.
She's head of retail agency at Cushman Wakefield Equinox. She says that last year's new supply and the plans for the next 3 years prove once again that traditional retail will continue to play a key role in the overall real estate landscape. This is primarily explained by the fact that malls, retail parks, and commercial galleries are no longer just shopping destinations. So, yeah, I mean, they're a bit more than just picking up your shopping these days, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're sort of destinations,
Some leisure and
lifestyle.
community. Yeah, lifestyle, right? Well, you got 2 years of being locked up. You want to go out and have some fun, yeah?
Right, and you mentioned this project earlier on. That was one of the major Colosseum Mall was one of the major large extensions opened last year,
Mhm.
and they had 16,500 square meters.
I think they opened during lockdown
Right,
somehow, if that can do that. I remember talking to them, and they're invited us to something, and it was like lockdown right after that or something,
right,
right
yeah,
before that.
yeah. Not a great time to open, but it
Mhm.
seems they're doing pretty well now.
Mhm.
Moving back to Poland and logic centers, the logistics arms of NREP, they've welcomed a new head of commercial activities, which is Magda Towarowska, and she'll be responsible for managing tenant relations and leasing activities covering the standing assets and projects held by NREP's portfolio, BIK. They currently have a portfolio of 4 standing assets with 2 potential extensions and the potential footprint of more than 130,000 square meters in Poland. And according to Sorian Rodian Olsen, Managing Director of Lodge Centres in Poland, we have an exceptional year ahead of us in which we will strengthen our position in the Polish market and implement the group's ambitious goals primarily related to the bold ESG strategy.
All right. Yeah, since Soren's been there, they've really been expanding into Poland too.
Yeah.
Mhm.
They're in Poland doing pretty well, I think. Staying in the logistics field, and another new appointment, which is Stefan Dogoy, has joined CTP as ESG and energy lead after a 2-year break, and he'll be reporting directly to the company's founder and CEO, Raymond Voss, and he'll help drive CTP's ambitious sustainability agenda to ramp up its renewable energy output, establish clear standards for water, waste, and materials management, and recycling new projects and standing CTP parks, as well as align the company with the science-based target initiative for establishing a roadmap to the net carbon neutral goal for the company's entire operations. So, yeah, they're really pushing out this ESG, taking it very seriously now, aren't they?
Yeah, net zero for the whole company. That's a lot.
And it's a massive company as well.
Mm.
So he's got a lot of work ahead
Yeah,
of him,
yeah.
old Stefan Nagoy. And finally, for today, in the leasing market, Future Meds, which is a company specializing in clinical trials on new drugs and therapies, has joined the list of tenants in the Infinity office building being developed by Avestus in Wrocław.
Mhm.
They've leased 1,100 square meters in that new building, and the building will set to come online in Q2 2023, and that is a joint development between Avestus and Alchemy Properties.
Oh, great. Okay. So another interesting bit on the office space. Yeah, it's going well. Still happening.
Yeah, there's still business
Still
going on.
happening. Amazing.
Good.
Well, thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show this week. I think we broke some new records as far as viewers and number of subscribers as well. So
Really?
keeps
Oh,
yeah keeps
wow.
going up, every week. So great
What were your
to
family watching it? Yeah?
they're loving it too. They always give big hugs. Um, yeah, so thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. Please subscribe to it if you haven't yet on LinkedIn and make sure you don't miss any episodes. And we will see you Monday morning with the news for next week. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.